G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Snowing here, and which was sunny yesterday and snowing today. Today we're talking about breakouts. So most breakouts fail, but it's critical to understand that when you get a breakout, to understand where the underlying bias is in the direction of that market movement when you come into the session in that timing window. So we see examples of markets that break out, pull back, and continue to trend strongly. Day one, we see markets that break out, continue to trend, and reverse in one session, and then reverse again in the following session in the U.S. market. We see markets that stay inside, and people are trying to trade those, and there's not even a signal or a trigger day. Now that's different than an inside day that's already had a reversal. That's an entirely different type of setup. I'm talking about a day that does not have a trigger day. It's traded inside, and traders are trying to trade those pairs, and they're inside of an inside day. So what you want to have is a market that, as you could call it, gets into play, or it's in play because it's broken out. It's already broken out. It's in an existing breakout, which means there are other time frame traders in the market. So I repeat this over and over again, and I get traders emailing me questions, and they're frustrated, but a lot of traders are trading instruments that haven't even gone into play, or they haven't had a signal day, or they're trading it based on the signal day, but they don't have a setup. And these are all important things, because every single time you go to take a trade in the market, there needs to be an underlying bias of either a stop hunt, a trend trade, a reversal trade. That stop hunt can be in a range-bound market between a high and a low, and it might be a 50-pip box. So I talk about the three levels because that gives you a 50-pip area as a strike zone potential. Now, if it isn't going to go 50 pips, you still want to have a collapsible blow-off move of at least 25, where that's a high probability, high quality setup. So I emphasize 25 pips that is quality, that can be sized into, has a lot more value than 100 pips that's counter trend against a move that's just auctioning slowly back and forth for hours on end. And I know that there are traders that'll disagree, and they'll say, well, I got 100 pips. But I always come back to, how can you rinse and repeat that with size and low stress? So you want to have a signal day. And then that signal day, remember, when you get breakout traders triggered into a market, you have other time frame traders. Everybody is in now, not just the 5-minute and the 1-minute guy or the 15-minute guy. You've got 4-hour, daily, weekly, potentially, depending on the levels that have been broken. So focus on those setups, and then understand the timing, because everything is timed, and then whether or not you have a market that is setting up to continue a move, or if it's already broken out and now you're looking for that reversal, the break in structure, and the timing, and that universal entry criteria for either a parabolic move, or reversal trade, or a trend trade. So the simpler you make this and step back and look at the bigger picture, I can tell you with absolute certainty, I've done all the things wrong, and I keep reinforcing the basic setups. So look for markets that are in play. Look for the markets that have given you a trigger or a signal day, and then they're setting up to give you that optimal trade entry heading into the session that you're trading. Have a great day, traders. Keep it simple. Focus on 1% better every single day. As frustrating as it can be, if you tap into this and then rinse and repeat on the setups that you know with absolute certainty, you can grow this business in size. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.